Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious salted caramel cupcakes. So we're going to start off with a brown sugar sponge. That's brown sugar, obviously, self-raising flour, salt and bicarbonate soda into a bowl. And we're going to pass those through a sieve to get rid of any lumps. Now you might find that when you get to the brown sugar, you're going to need to push that through with a spoon. If you want all the details of ingredients and quantities, they will be in the description box below. So we're going to follow that with your eggs, butter and just a dash of vanilla extract. Then we're going to beat that together with your electric mixer. You can use a stand mixer if you want, I just thought I'd do an electric one. And then you're going to beat that until it's combined. Once it has combined, you're going to scrape down the sides with a rubber spatula and mix that again for a couple seconds. You don't want to over mix this batter. So we're going to divide that between 12 cupcake liners. I like to use an ice cream scoop to keep it even. And you're going to bake that at 180 degrees for about 18 to 22 minutes. To make the buttercream, you're going to place the butter into your stand mixer and you're going to beat that on high speed for about 5 minutes. Once it's smooth, we're going to add in the salt and the vanilla and beat that for another 5 minutes. Now with your splash guard attached, you're going to add your icing sugar. It's pre-sifted icing sugar on a really low speed. You're going to add it a couple spoonfuls at a time and then mix for 5 minutes, another couple spoonfuls, 5 minutes of mixing, and you should get a really smooth buttercream. Now we're going to make the salted caramel. I've made salted caramel so many times on this channel, so we're going to place the sugar and the water into a large pot. Over medium heat, you're going to heat that to a bubble. Once it starts to bubble, you're going to place the cream into the microwave for about a minute to heat up. At this deep golden amber colour, we're going to add the cream half at a time, stirring really well in between the two. Now you want to be really careful here at this stage because it's going to bubble up and boil and you don't want to burn yourself, so keep well away. Then once it's all combined, we're going to heat that for about a minute on medium heat. Pass that through a sieve and you're going to add in the salt and stir that through. Then once you've stirred that all through, you're going to let that chill in the fridge till it firms up really nicely. So take that buttercream, you get about half of the caramel that we just made and stir that through and it gives you the most delicious, silky smooth caramel buttercream that tastes amazing. Now we're going to core our cupcakes. If you've got an apple core, it'd be easier, but I'm just using a knife here because that's all I had. And then I've fitted some of that caramel into a piping bag and we're going to pipe some caramel into the centre as a little caramel surprise. Then we're going to pipe a swirl of that buttercream and then top that off with another drizzle of salted caramel, and that is literally it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. You can click here to see my last video and here to see a video randomly selected by YouTube for you.